Have you dreamed of owning a home on the golf course? Hi, I'm Paul Hack with the Alicia Collins real estate team at RE/MAX, and take a look at this beautifully located house on the PV golf course and adjacent to the PV park. This home features 4 bedrooms, 1 3/4 bath, a large updated kitchen, new carpet throughout, fresh paint, sprinkler system front and back, central air, and much more. If you want to put Casper's top real estate team to work for you and see this house in person, please contact me. And as always, if you'd like to see the other homes available in the Casper area with a complete list of MLS homes, please visit our website.